R14 or we just R4?
That's your individual number.
All right,
Mine's R4.
I say half of us cut through the middle and try to take these trailers. That'll be a good vantage point.
They said he has a metal head. Dude, there's gonna be a terrible crossfire.
What do we do after we kill him? Because we're here till
After we kill him, we'll just chill.
We'll all just regroup and wait for our next mission.
So basically, it just turns into a war after we kill him.
Where do you guys want to get a rendezvous point for after the mission?
Come back to here.
Come back here after the mission.
Guys, you hear that?
Guys, after we accomplish the president mission, we're meeting up here.
I think sounds good.
Alright, you guys ready?
Getting my barrel cover in there. I hate this freaking string.
Anybody spawning up there? I'm just afraid of the
Yeah, blue spawning right
up.
up.
Might have to cut a different angle. And that'll mess up a lot of stuff.
Alright, you guys ready?
Okay.
Yeah.
We're going straight. Those guys, you guys go left.
You guys cut, we're going straight.
Go!
Who is that?
That's blue. Is that blue? Is that blue?
Blue! Blue!
Push up! Push up! We got blues over here! Friendly's over here! Guys in trailer 7, watch out.
Hey, only thing I got point!
Get in there, go, go, go!
Hey, are they allowed to be in that trailer? Our squad, push! Guys in trailer 7, get down.
I got it.
Are they allowed to be in there?
I don't know.
I don't think they are.
He's out.
He's hit!
Come on out!
Oh, that's a nice hop. I love this hop.
Awesome.
We need to push. Guys, we need to move up. You alright?
Move into this trailer. Move into this trailer. Alright, move.
I'll move. Yo, we need to push right. Is anybody right? No, no, it's not. We got guys up here.
Alright, there. Alright. Yeah.
Blue!
Got blues up here. Blues up here.
Blue's ahead! They're moving into the woods?
Testing, testing. 1, 2, 3. Do you read me, Frank? Yo, Frank, let's move left.
Are they retreating? It looks like they are.
I know, they're okay.
Are you guys friendlies?
That guy in the good.
Friendlies, friendlies to trailer 6. Our squad, move up. Friendly, friendly, friendly. We got friendlies moving up.
Our squad, moving!
We'll go down.
Hey, you have a tango and a wood line.
How far away are we from the objective?
Alright, we're fine. We're getting close. The American with the flag there.
Watch wood line.
Okay.
Wood line.
Get a tailor.
Are those friendlies? Are those friendlies? Watch out.
Take in there.
Friendlies, 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 friendlies. This trailer's secure. Trailer 8. Watch out, watch out, watch out. I saw him. He's hit. I think he's hit. No, watch him, watch.
Dead cell, where are you? Huh? Yeah. Go.
You got that guy? Just pin him down. Yo, good job, guys. Good job.
We're allowed in here because they said no new trailer.
They were in here, so we are. There's a ref right here.
I have a visual on the target building.
You want to push?
We just need to make sure.
Let's move around, Frank. Come on, this way. Oh God. Frank, come on.
Here, what do you want to do? You want to try to get an angle, or do you just want to spray it?
Come on, 10.
Look for the president in there. Where's Steven?
Adam.
Yeah.
This guy's down. He's in our squad. Go.
Got 2 trailers down, getting an angle.
Yeah, you see a guy through here?
He's a couple trailers away. He poked out the door.
Light him up.
I think if he get an accurate shot, but watch it.
Watch out, we got guys in the forest. Watch the woods!
We got guys out here watching the woods. We're good for the woods.
Whoa!
Whoa, watch it.
That was close.